Today I'll show you how to create a smooth gradient with a brush and blend different shadow levels. Pick up a brush that fits the area you want to shade, not too small, because it will leave marks. Start shading from the darkest part. Imagine the gradient in 4 levels of darkness. Begin from level 4 and 3, the darkest ones. As you keep moving the brush, the powder on it will spread, so the darkness will fade. That's why the dark area, level 4 or 3, gets lighter over time. To fix this, keep adding new layers of powder again and again, from level 4 to 3 to 2, next layer 4, 3, and next and final one for only 4. Repeat this layering until the gradient looks smooth, and if needed, add a darker powder on level 4 as the final layer. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed it, please support me with a like and a comment. Thank you guys. Thank you.